naging service. So, kaya yung usapan na about this, wala kami
I now declare the general membership meeting open and will come to order.
Mr. President, we have 83 present out of the 105 confirmation received from the membership of the UAP 104 for fiscal year 2024-2025.
I would like to say good evening sa lahat. And maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. Alam ko sobrang traffic, busy sa office, pagod and all, but still you're here. You've shown your loyalty to UAP Dubai. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin mga ito. Ano yung mga natulong sa atin being part of UAP?
Yung UAP, I think for most of the OFWs,
ma-attend ng UAP Dubai. I think hindi lang yung attendance. I think yung professional growth din eh. Di ba?
Pero yung pinaka-main talaga is yung ano ba yung main goal natin dito sa bansang ito. Di ba? Kaya nandito tayo. Magtulungan tayo.
To connect with them, at least to contribute or at least to help po para sa self-enhancement and improvement natin. Yun lang yung intention.
Kaya yung mga president, pag-invite ng mga dating okay na lang architects kasi may number tayo.
We are very grateful for them because meron tayong mga seminars, we have this kind of gatherings.
Isang malaking impact. Sabi nga nila game changer yung UAP Dubai.
UAP will continue even without the AFO requirement.
Ito yung naging stepping stone ko, kaya ako meron ako ngayon. So, that gave me the drive to be here right now. So, kung nasa man ako ngayon sa posisyon ko sa buhay ko, I think that was a big part of it.